आपको लगता है इंडिया में जॉब्स हैं?
Definitely है. We are hiring for
There are many people, at least in India, who are, treating LinkedIn same as the Facebook and Instagram.
very important that whatever you are doing, whatever profession is, you have to market it.
तो LinkedIn पे कैसे कंटेंट बना सकते हैं लोग और क्या बना सकते हैं?
There are so many certifications that you can do it online without even paying anything.
What is your message for the newcomers or maybe experienced one to learn or maybe master the negotiation process?
नहीं, कोई CV ऐसे होता है ना, वो समझ जाता है, वो चैट GPT से कॉपीड. Just an example I'm giving you.
So what are the trends going on the HR? आप अगर CV देख रहे हो किसी का, तो आपका परसेप्शन क्या कैसे बनता है?
Most of the time it's CV reject, but we have to understand.
कि चलो मेरी वाइफ को जॉब करना है बट नाउ उसका मैटरनिटी ब्रेक लिया है उसने, बट ऑल्सो शी इज फाइटिंग विद मेनी थिंग्स, मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स, और उसको अभी जॉब के लिए भी मोटिवेट करना है.
True. Freshers are not knowing about these things.
जॉब ओपनिंग्स की इंफॉर्मेशन इस पर्टिकुलर पॉडकास्ट में हमने कवर की है. जॉब सीकर्स के लिए बस इस पॉडकास्ट से एजुकेशन नहीं तो जॉब ओपनिंग्स की इंफॉर्मेशन भी मिलना पॉसिबल हो जाएगा. हमारे आज के गेस्ट माधवी मैम, जिन्होंने HR, रिक्रूटमेंट और L&D में बहुत अच्छा काम किया हुआ है, बहुत सारे इनसाइट शेयर किए इस पॉडकास्ट में, जिससे आपको मदद होगी ये समझने में, ये जानने में कि आपकी जर्नी जॉब में कैसे होनी चाहिए और कैसे आप ग्रो कर सकते हो. सिंपली ऑब्जर्व एंड लर्न का फॉर्मूला कैसे वर्क होता है और कितना आप ग्रो कर पाते हो अगर आप ये क्रैक कर पाओ तो. लिंक्डइन क्यों जरूरी है? लिंक्डइन पे आप क्या कर सकते हो? आपकी प्रोफाइल कैसे बिल्ड कर सकते हो? एज फ्रेशर्स आपका पर्सपेक्टिव, आपका माइंडसेट इस जॉब के बारे में कैसे होना चाहिए, ये सब इंफॉर्मेशन इस पॉडकास्ट में हमने कवर की है. इस इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन से मैंने बहुत सारी चीजें सीखी है, जानी है, एंड आई एम श्योर कि एज ए जॉब सीकर्स ये सब इन्फॉर्मेशन आपके लिए भी बहुत जरूरी है जानना. हमारा ये इनिशिएटिव जॉब सीकर्स को इंडिया में जॉब्स दिलाने के लिए भी है और एडुकेट करने के लिए भी है. अगर आपको जॉब ओपनिंग्स की इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहिए तो ये एपिसोड लास्ट तक देखना. हमारे चैनल को प्लीज सब्सक्राइब करना, कमेंट करना ऐसे नाम जिनको जॉब की जरूरत है, और ये एपिसोड रीशेयर करना उन लोगों के साथ जो एक्चुअली जॉब में परेशान है और जॉब देख रहे हैं. थैंक यू. Hi, Madhvi ma'am.
Hi, Pranil.
Thank you for being here. We are really grateful and thankful to your time. This is first time we are interacting, right?
Correct.
So we all would like to know your journey from where you started and how did you, grow your professional career
Okay.
and started your own consultancy.
Thank you for this opportunity. So I'm born and brought up from Mumbai, that is city of dreams.
Right.
So I did my schooling, I did my MBA from IES Bandra, and I did my MBA in human resource. So post that, I was working with CRM Silk Mills Limited, this company, which is at Lower Parel. And there I got placed and I was working as an HR executive over there. I was very fortunate enough that I got opportunity to work in a L&D team, that is learning and development.
Oh, nice.
Into training rather. So I was assisting President HR over there for his trainings, and where I got opportunity to train the employees over there. Meanwhile, after 6-7 months, the CRM was coming with a new 2 brands for which they wanted to build whole team. So this is how I got an opportunity to get into talent acquisition. Okay, there were 2 brands which were coming, and we had to recruit from scratch, like from junior level till senior level.
Okay.
So the whole team, like 20 plus, including VP level, was hired by me and one of my team member. He was a manager over there. So I got a solid exposure of talent acquisition over there, where I understood that, yeah, I am liking this field. And if you ask me why I came into human resource, that is completely because of my father. So yeah, so he was the one who always guided me and is guiding me, is advising me, even in my current company.
So he was working somewhere as a HR or?
No. He retired as a managing director of one of the group from Shapoorji Pallonji. It's Gokak Textiles. So he just retired last year. So he has a very good corporate experience. So he was the one who always guided me, when it comes to career guidance.
Right.
So because of him, he was like, your personality overall, you are very outspoken, you're very sympathetic, and you manage the team very well. You have that quality in you. So I think you will do best in the HR field. So this is how I entered into HR, because when you are in MBA second year, you have to choose the specialization, right?
Right.
So that time I was very confused whether to go for HR or whether to go on finance. Okay. Because being a finance graduate, I was more keen to finance. But trust me, this HR field become a game changer for me, because I started loving what I'm doing it right now. So yes, this
Nice.
is how the journey began.
But then you just mentioned about learning and development. So, what exactly it is? What is L&D? And
Okay.
when you were
Okay.
working in L&D, from that particular time till today,
Okay.
how the industry has evolved?
Okay, there is a lot of change when you talk about L&D because 10 years down the line and now there is drastic change in learning and development. So before, when it comes to learning and development, it was more of when the employee joined any company, we have to give him induction trainings. We have to understand we have to give them some soft skill training, how to interact with your subordinates, your team members. Those trainings was being given that time during my 10 years back journey. But now L&D has changed a lot. Like there are a lot of skill analysis is been done. There is also, if any employee is underperforming, so there is always a gap analysis done to understand why he is underperforming, and based on that, the trainings are done. So even the trainings for managers are different. So even managerial trainings are done. So it all depends, like which kind of a training you are looking, whether it's a soft skill, whether it's a completely a corporate training, whether it is leadership training, whether it's a managerial skills based training. So this is how the change has come in this training field.
So, can we now consider that if someone wants to pursue or maybe start their career from L&D, so are there any junior level positions available in L&D, or they have to start from maybe recruitment or maybe admin?
It is completely not like that. You guys have to start with recruitment. It all depends upon your expertise or your liking, your skill sets. Okay, if you are more keen to learning, then learning and development training, that consular thing. If you have that skill set in you, you can definitely start with L&D.
Okay.
Because a lot of even interns are getting opportunity into trainings, L&D.
Oh.
So to organize the training, coordination part with the employees. So back end thing they start with, and then slowly and they come in a training field.
So then training comes under this L&D field.
Yeah. L&D is very vast, learning and development. I'm just talking about training.
Acha.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's basically uplifting your current employees to the next level.
Correct.
Upgrading them.
Correct.
Okay. That's really nice. And then you joined as a talent acquisition.
Yeah. I joined there. I worked for around 2 years in CRMs, and then I got married and I shifted to Pune.
Okay.
Here I was working with Amdocs. It's an MNC. I was working in Pune only. But my profile was more of a backend, and I was managing EMEA region. So I worked there, and I took a break for my maternity and around a year. And then when my daughter was 1, I started Headway. Even reason behind starting the Headway. So I always knew that I like interacting to people. I like talent acquisition. So meanwhile, I was hiring for my father-in-law's company, and it was in the Gujarat region. And yeah. So I hired very well over there. The process went very smooth. So then I thought, why not to take this professionally? This is how Headway was born.
So in which year you're talking?
So this is 2019, I could say.
Okay, 2019 you started.
Yeah.
So ma'am, when you were working in CRMs, right? You were working as a L&D and then you moved to talent acquisition, as you said.
Correct.
So how was that journey? Like, why did you get that opportunity to work in talent acquisition?
Okay.
And then what was your experience of hiring different professionals? Could you please throw light on that?
Sure. So as I told you, there were 2 departments coming over there, and my boss wanted me to get into talent acquisition because there was a person who was handling TA, and I wanted to assist him. So he wanted me to assist him. So this is how I went into talent acquisition and recruitments.
Okay.
And he was basically a manager over there. So I used to learn from him a lot of things. So one thing I liked about him was I used to ask him कि ये कैसे करूँ, ये कैसे करूँ. So he used to always tell me, देख माधवी, मैं तुझे कुछ नहीं बताने वाला हूँ. You have to observe and learn.
Oh.
So I was like always on toes कि even Excel sheet वो बना रहा है, so I have to check what all he's mentioning and everything. So he used to not tell me anything. He used to always tell me observe and learn.
Okay.
So even when I am right now in my company, when I'm hiring people, I always tell them observe and learn.
Same thing.
The same thing, because that actually helped me a lot. I started observing him, what he's doing, and then I started implementing in my role.
But apart from that, I think ChatGPT भी है ना.
अभी ChatGPT है, तभी नहीं था ना. How is he emailing? CC किसको रख रहा है, BCC किसको रख रहा है वो. So I used to continuously observe him, and then I used to learn. So that was.
I think that is one of the best practices.
Yeah, that is one of the best practice, and still I tell every fresher also कि observe and learn.
Right.
Because nobody is going to spoon feed you right now.
Absolutely.
That thing has gone now. Nobody likes to spoon feed.
Absolutely.
It's like how much you bring to the table, right? So yeah, and in CRM, so there was an annual day function. I had to prepare the whole presentation of MD over there. Yeah. So that time, 10 years back, I had used a very different PPT. A lot of people were not knowing about it. It was called as Prezi.
Okay. Crazy.
Yeah, it's called as Prezi.
Okay.
So since I was just passed out from MBA, so we used to do a lot of presentations. So
Ah.
I knew about all these things.
Okay.
So that was very much a game changer for me.
Okay.
My boss liked it so much, and during the annual function, the MD used the whole of my presentation, the Prezi and everything, how it was working. So he was giving the speech and he was referring the presentation.
Okay.
So my boss, in front of everyone, everybody, whole team, he said that behind every successful man there is a woman,
Oh.
and success of this program is a woman, and she's Madhvi Patil. So
Yeah,
that was one of the achievement for me.
Nice.
And in front of whole CRM, so that was a very biggest achievement in my life.
क्या बात है?
As a fresher, you can say, or as a first job.
Nice. Because getting appreciation in your first job
Yeah.
really motivates you to go longer, right? And I'm sure that's why you moved into TA, right?
Maybe, yes. So
No doubt.
yeah, because I had to explore things, right? As a fresher, you always explore. Like if you're into L&D, if you're into trainings, then you come into recruitments. Then again, after that, I used to take care of joining formalities, then till exit formalities.
So entire employee like
Yeah, entire life cycle, employee life cycle. And in between, I also used to started doing salary negotiations.
Oh,
So I started understanding the whole salary breakups and all that.
okay.
So what is PF, what is ESIC, and how you should talk with the candidates with who come under ESIC, who come into PF, and then if they're completing 5 years, then gratuity. So these things I started learning from the CRMs only.
So which positions did you hire for CRMs, and like
Okay.
what was your experience or maybe difficulties you faced in
Okay.
that time?
So it was mix of all. Okay, I hired till VP marketing level over there. If you ask me for the senior level,
Okay.
and junior level, yes, we even hired area sales sales executive managers, then VP, then we need a GM over there, general managers.
So
Also.
was it only for Mumbai or the entire India?
This we were hiring for Mumbai, and there were candidates coming from North also to join, because they have to, if they are area managers, they have to roam around, right? They cannot be in the corporate office for
Yeah.
so they have to report to the office for 2 days. They have to roam around, right? So
Right.
the recruitment is to happen in corporate office, but once the formalities are done, they used to go on the field.
Okay. क्या changes हुए आज तक?
Acha.
Because I'm sure कि duration का
Yeah, there is lot of changes now being in last 10 years. During our 10 years back, the onboarding process was all on paper,
Right.
right? If you know about it.
No
Yeah.
automations, yeah.
So no automation. So now HR, the new trend, if you talk about HR, it's more on, I could say, paperless. That is taking care of environmental and social things.
Right.
So onboarding process are completely paperless. So it's on the software. So that time used to take every like there was a different page for PF. There was a different page for the information of the candidates. There are so many papers. Like around I just remember 10 or 15 paper. He has to sit and sign all those, write all those.
And again review also.
Again review also. Yeah. So these things have changed drastically now, and it has come to all paperless automation.
Are there any companies who are also offering like 1 year of probation? Have you?
There are
Got
if they're hiring for the freshers, so they go for 1 year of probation, and then they make them permanent.
But then is it good? I mean, what is
It all again it depends. If fresher is performing very well, then he get absorbed over there.
Yeah, but
So-
then still 1 year probation is. Don't you think it's prolonged? Because people have this concern, no, that they are not getting any leaves, they are not getting paid anything,
Correct.
and then they have to go through all this.
Yeah.
So for me, it is like not feasible thing. Because whenever we,
This is what happens. What a lot of companies want them to give opportunity. They want them to prove it.
right.
Right? So 1 year is almost goes on trainings. Okay, because as a fresher, there is need of a training, right? Because even I joined as a fresher. I joined as a management trainee.
Right.
So because of my performance, after 6 months, I was converted as an HR executive directly. So it's all depends upon the performance, right?
So the fire has to be there.
There has to be that. There has to be there, because
Fire.
what I believe is life is all about learnings.
Absolutely.
If you are stagnant on one particular role for 6 months, 1 year, there is no growth as such.
Okay.
So I think every 6 months or every month there should be some learnings. So even if you see this, if we talk about LinkedIn learnings, there are so many certifications that you can do it online, without even paying anything.
Absolutely.
Freshers are not knowing about these things.
Absolutely.
Okay.
For freshers, maybe it is just a platform where you can put up your CV and get the job.
Yeah.
So, and I'm sure LinkedIn is not about this, and we'll come to
Yeah,
it,
we
but
will
it's
come to that. Yes,
it's
yes.
a huge topic.
Yeah.
I'm sure. You have also, interestingly mentioned one more thing, that is negotiations. And I think people, even my team was also, talking to me yesterday that how the negotiations work. What is your maybe message for the newcomers or maybe experienced one
Okay.
to learn or maybe master the negotiation process?
Okay. So for the freshers, I would say don't negotiate much. Okay. As a fresher, being very frank, you might be having some amount in your mind, no doubt about it. But learning is very important when you are a fresher. But once you get experienced and you know that you are very pro in this particular field,
Mhm.
then probably you can negotiate.
Right.
Because and you should know the market value for your particular role right now.
Right.
So you have to do a bit R&D and then negotiate with the company.
Okay.
So I would say 30% hike if the company is giving, then it's really good.
Okay.
Okay. This is what market standard is nowadays in IT, probably.
I was about to ask
Yeah.
this. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I think IT people now are not settling for 30%. They are looking for around 90.
This trend has decreased now. Okay. This was a lot in 2 years back during the pandemic.
Okay.
Yeah. So they used to have current salary as 12 lakhs and they used to have offer of 25 lakhs.
Right.
So this trend is
I think
somewhere.
it's still there.
No, it is not much there. I mean, there is. I'm not saying it's not there, but it has decreased.
Acha, it has.
Number of it has been a decrease. From
What is the reason?
there is a recessions or these things are going on. It all depends upon the US market as well.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, westernization.
So I have also come across with the candidates who are ready to settle for less also because they don't have a job right now. They don't
Right.
they're on bench. They don't have a job on projects.
So they want something.
They want something. They cannot sit and they get frustrated. Even experienced people I'm talking about with 8 or 10 years of experience were hiring for one of the software company at Hyderabad. The location was Hyderabad and we were hiring for them. I came across so many candidates which were on bench and who had lost the job and their packages were around 15-16 lakhs and they were okay to settle at 12-13 lakhs.
Oh.
They're okay to come down because they want a job. This scenario is also there now. I mean,
Nowadays.
Yeah, nowadays it is there.
I've also seen this, and there are many people who are now, even as experienced also, they're struggling for good packages.
Correct.
But ये होता है ना कि अगर आपका पैकेज 25 lakhs है and if you are settling on maybe 15 or 18 lakhs, तो आपको आगे का एम्प्लॉयर आगे वाले स्विच में ये सवाल पूछता है कि ये क्यों किया है आपने.
हाँ.
So what could be the logical or maybe acceptable response, or what could be the ideal response that people should have? अगर किसी को ये ऐसी सिचुएशन आती है, how they should respond to it?
They can probably say they got into this job because they had maybe a gap, okay, and they took it because they wanted to. I mean, the skill set was matching, and they took it because there was no job in the market. And then, but now after 2 years, if he has worked in the same salary for 2 years, now he has experience, right? Now he can demand.
Right.
So he can say that with this experience, I should expect this.
Right.
So there he can get a negotiation kind of where he can do that because it all depends upon the market scenario.
Right.
Okay. What scenario 2 years back it is not after 2 years, right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Okay.
But now you also mentioned that you got married and you then relocated to Pune.
Yeah.
So obviously you have taken the maternity leave. Then why not again getting into the HR job and why consultants? I know that you got a good experience and you decided to pursue that. But a job mindset and a business mindset is a completely different scenarios, right?
Yeah, correct.
So what was the motivating factor for you? Because now I'm sure you're not restricted to Pune or maybe Mumbai.
Correct.
Now you are doing it pan-India.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So
my motivational factor was my husband.
Oh,
So
nice.
So I belong from a family where we are into business.
Okay.
So maybe that is one of the reasons why he motivated me to go for the business. He said, I am there to guide you. Just go for it.
Okay.
That was one of the reason. And of course, since my daughter was very small, so I have to balance both. So work-life balance. So because I stay at Kothur and
Right.
offices were all in Magadpatta, Hinjawadi.
Yeah, it is far.
So I have to take care of my daughter because I like spending time with her. So it was very clear in my mind that how much ever time I'll give to my second baby, that's Headway Consultant.
Right.
The first will the same. I should have to balance.
Balance it out.
So this is how Headway was born.
But I think there are many women who are, fighting this challenge.
Correct.
Who are looking for work from home opportunities.
Correct.
Who wants to, also get into the corporates. But obviously, unka gap ho gaya hai and companies do not accept them immediately. There are companies now, which maybe we know कि जो ऐसे लोगों को लेते भी है, Even I have also started doing that. But what is that one message you have for the companies at how they should look at this as a
Okay. So
opportunity?
for this, Pranil, I give training for the women who are looking for a job after a break.
Oh,
Yeah. So
and how that training is, if I want to ask.
training is completely, I just guide them how they can search for a job. Okay. So basically, there are lot of apps, I could say, portals
Okay.
who are hiring for remote, and they are looking for people who can work remotely. For example, if you are applying for remotely, you can go on Upwork or Fiverr.
So,
There-
Fiverr, yeah.
yeah. So there, what you can do is you can go on this. You have to prepare a profile. You have to put a video with which skill sets you want a job. You just have to apply there, and it is an hourly basis. You don't have to work 9 to 6 job.
Right.
Okay. So whenever the project comes, it's 3 months, and it is being paid as per the project, as per the hours you have spent for this particular project. So it's not completely like a job.
Right.
And you can be a freelancer over there.
Right.
See, there are opportunity. You just have to grab it. You have to understand how the path goes.
Right.
Yeah.
But then when you mentioned about these portals and this freelance work, so how much, I mean, approximately these people are able to make money? I know Fiverr how it works,
Yeah.
but I think many people do not know about
So it's completely on dollars basically. Okay. So minimum for a fresher, it might go to $8.
Okay.
You can start with per hour $7, $8, and then it goes on forward if you're working for 6 hours in a day. So I'm talking about a week, right? $8 in a week.
Oh.
So per hour.
Acha, per hour.
Per hour.
Okay.
So if you calculate $8 into 5 hours, so
And from how long you're doing this trainings and all?
been a year.
Okay.
Yeah.
How's your experience? Like how people are taking it?
After my this on training, a lot of people have got opportunity through Upwork and Fiverr.
I think 2 days before also you mentioned a case, right?
That is for a woman entrepreneurs who want to get into business, because
You trained for that.
yeah, I trained for that because you know what it is. जब भी किसी को business में आना है, they don't know the path. Like पता नहीं रहता कि register कैसे करना है, company कैसे register करूँ, और what is GST, और GST कब लागू होता है. And then they don't know about how to do a marketing. Okay, I have a product. I don't know how to do a marketing. Okay, I'm into service. I do this particular service, but I don't know how to market it.
Right.
So it's very important that whatever you are doing, whatever profession is, you have to market it, right? It's everything depends upon personal branding, which is recently going on.
Right.
So I train them like how you can do market your product, or you can do a personal branding for your product or a service, which will actually help you get a clients for you.
Right.
So maybe a very small scale to get into a business and expand it.
अभी है ना थोड़ा मेरा कंफ्यूजन है.
हाँ.
ओके, चलो आपके जॉब के बारे में तो समझ में आ गया मुझे. आप कंसल्टेंसी कर रहे हो, ठीक है, वेयर यू आर हेल्पिंग अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल टू गेट अ जॉब. नाउ वी आर ट्रेनिंग दिस पीपल, राइट? और क्या क्या करते? बिकॉज एक पॉस्ट मैंने आपका पढ़ा हुआ, अभी ये पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का मेरे लिए थोड़ा सरप्राइजिंग है. सो क्या क्या करते हो?
मैं पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग करती नहीं हूँ, मैं सिखाती हूँ कैसे करते हैं. That's it. I mean, I'm not much into it because I like counseling, training. So whatever I have, I just want to give it to the society because it took 5 years for me also to understand how things work. Because when I started my company, this is how when I was meeting few people, understanding how things work for when GST कब रहता है, how to raise the invoice, how this, that. There are many things even I was struggling for. For 1-2 years went for a struggle. But fortunately, I started meeting few good people in my connects, or people started understanding that this lady is doing something. Okay, so they started helping me out. So I started understanding. I met few good people, few influencers who started guiding me.
Right.
So this experience came like this. So I thought, why not to share it?
Right.
Okay. So when you share, it's give us gain, right?
Right.
It's always give us gain.
Absolutely.
So I thought, why not to start like this? It is not intentionally or anything, but people started asking me, माधवी कुछ गाइड हम लोग को भी कर देना यार, कैसे करना है, मुझे ये start करना है. I am not understanding. There is no path for me to start because even they have 2 kids.
Are you charging for this or you're just doing it?
This is free. This is free right now. For women with break, I'm doing it for a free.
क्या बात है. So for all those women, the fantastic women out there who are looking for such help, ma'am is there. You can connect her on LinkedIn, right?
Yeah.
और उनके डिटेल्स हम लोग इस वीडियो के डिस्क्रिप्शन में भी डालेंगे. बट आई थिंक शी इज रियली डूइंग अ गुड वर्क. अमेजिंग. आई मीन मैं तो चार्जेस लेता हूँ कंसल्टिंग के क्योंकि ऑब्वियस रीजंस. चलो ठीक है. But then now you are talking more about, this jobs and now learnings.
Yeah.
अभी आपने POSH certification भी किया है. But I'm sure this journey as an entrepreneur, right? जहाँ पे अभी आपको आपकी टीम हायर करनी है. And now obviously there are generational changes that we all are going through.
Right.
तो हम लोग ये कैसे टैकल कर सकते हैं? आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है? बिकॉज नाउ इट्स बिन लाइक 5 years यू आर इन दिस जर्नी. तो आप कैसे टीम को हैंडल करते हो, कैसे हायर करते हो? बिकॉज आई एम श्योर कि जो हमारे टाइम पे चल रहा था वो आज नहीं चलेगा. वो मेथड आज नहीं चलेगा. द वे यू मेंशन कि ऑब्जर्व एंड लर्न, राइट? आई एम ऑल्सो कोर बिलीवर इनटू इट कि प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपीरियंस लो, जाओ, गिरो, पढ़ो, सीखो, उसके बाद आपको सब सिनेरियो समझ में आ जाता है. But in the tech and this AI generation, people do not want that.
Okay.
People are more into chasing the perfectionism. So आप कैसे हैंडल करते हो? आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है आज तक का?
So while I'm hiring my team, so I look for the attitude. First thing I look for this attitude, whether that candidate has learning attitude.
हाँ.
Okay. See, being very frank, now hiring new generation, okay, is a bit different.
Right.
They want work-life balance. Okay. They want flexibility.
They want to have it all.
They want to have it all because being very frank, during our father time, they used to work for standard of living.
Right.
Yeah, don't you think so?
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, it is.
So they wanted to send their kids to a good colleges,
Yeah.
schools. Okay, this they used to stay for that, just to earn for that. But now in this generation, they have everything. Okay, their parents have done everything for them.
Right.
Now they want quality of life.
Right.
Okay, so they do balance more on work-life balance, or they want good well-being in the company. Give good flexibility. अभी जो हमारे टाइम पे था कि 1:30 to 2 आपका ब्रेक रहेगा lunch time. So they don't want that. They will
Right.
say कि I'm working at 1:30 right now. So 2 o'clock or 2:30 I'll take a break for a lunch.
So they want that freedom.
They want that freedom. And the thing is, if they are into coding and everything, it requires a lot of energy to do the coding and all. So 2 घंटा लगता है, 3 घंटा लगता है, उसके बाद वो ब्रेक लेते हैं. And when they want a break, आधे घंटे में मेरा I'm not able to come back to in that zone.
Right.
So they might need an hour break or so. I'm just talking about IT company. Okay.
Right. That's
So yeah. So ये थोड़ा changes आया है अभी के इसमें. They are more into hybrid mode. So they like hybrid mode. They don't like coming from, for example, local trains and everything. अगर मुंबई में ट्रैवल
Right.
कर रहे हैं, so they will say कि 3 दिन आऊंगा, मैं 2 दिन घर से काम करूंगा,
Hybrid.
करूंगी, whatever. So they like this kind of new freeness. Yeah. So I would
Freedom.
say this freedom should be given. Then the output is
Expect.
expected. Yeah.
बट आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता? बिकॉज मुझे तो मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग ओपिनियन है.
Yeah.
और मैं हर जगह जहाँ पे यंगस्टर्स के साथ बात कर रहा हूँ, आई ऑलवेज टेल देम दैट डोंट डिमांड इन योर 5 years of your, I mean, beginning of your career.
Correct.
Right? Go expose yourself. When you'll do 10 different things, when you'll fall on face for 8 things, then you'll get that experience.
Okay. Yeah.
Right? जब आप नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यूज में बैठोगे ना, तब आप ये सब बोल पाते हो कि यार मैं अंधेरी से सायन तक ट्रैवल नहीं कर पाऊंगा फॉर जॉब, या जो कुछ भी, जस्ट फॉर एन एग्जांपल. देन यू कैन पुट अप सम डिमांड्स इन द राइट वे. बट शुरू से जो अभी आप बोल रहे हो कि क्वालिटी लाइफ, राइट, वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस एंड एवरीथिंग, हमारे लिए ये कभी था ही
नहीं था,
और वो आज भी नहीं है. राइट. एंड वी हैव टू जस्ट बैलेंस इट आउट कि आज मैं जिम नहीं गया, मुझे काम करना पड़ेगा तो करना पड़ेगा. और ऑब्वियसली उसके रिजल्ट भी हमें दिखते
हैं, नो डाउट.
तो आपको ऐसे नहीं लगता कि टू हैव इट ऑल के चक्कर में, या मे बी वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस फ्रॉम day one, मे बी पीपल आर लूजिंग आउट ऑन द गुड लर्निंग्स एंड द गुड एक्सपोजर इन देयर करियर?
I think that is happening. So whenever I talk to a fresher, I always tell, look for the learning and not the money.
Right.
This is one thing I always tell them. But what happens, this generation is very smart on technology.
Absolutely right.
Cannot work for 6 months on a particular, maybe a single technology. They like if we train them in a different technology, or if we get some different role for them, then they will feel that I'm learning new things. So there's hunger for learnings.
Right.
Okay, but I always tell as a fresher कि इतना मत देखो, पहले सीख लो. As a fresher, आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. You have to, because you don't have a practical experience, right? It's all bookish. जो हम लोग पढ़ रहे हैं MBA में, वही जाके हम लोग एग्जाम दे रहे हैं. But yeah, there are presentations and everything where they are getting chance to speak, communicate, to share their knowledge. Okay, so but as a fresher, मैं हमको हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि please guys learn first and then you demand, right? So yeah, this is what I feel.
According to me, LinkedIn is a good platform,
Correct.
right? So जब आप LinkedIn के बारे में बहुत सारे लोगों को हेल्प करते हो,
Correct.
जाके लोगों के प्रोफाइल्स बनाते हो, उनको बोलते हो कि बहुत कुछ कर सकते हो। मैंने जब मेरी LinkedIn जर्नी शुरू की थी, आई ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द सेम पर्सपेक्टिव कि मुझे जॉब देखना है, तो ऑब्वियसली आई एम यूजिंग ऑल दिस जॉब पोर्टल्स, नौकरी, मॉन्स्टर, शाइन, मैंने हर जगह पे CV डाला है। बट आई वॉज ऑल्सो अवेयर कि चलो LinkedIn पे भी, LinkedIn इज अ पोर्टल, जॉब पोर्टल, यही मेरा परसेप्शन था। When I started looking, reading the different articles, the content of different professionals, then I understood that LinkedIn is not limited for jobs,
Correct.
right? तो आज के टाइम पे मैं देख रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारे लोगों के LinkedIn पे प्रोफाइल्स है, but there are many people, at least in India, who are treating LinkedIn same as the Facebook and Instagram. So आपका मैसेज क्या है या आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है? आप कैसे लोगों को समझाते हो
Okay.
कि LinkedIn का इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है और आप कैसे जॉब एंड प्रोसेस में उसका यूटिलाइजेशन इफेक्टिवली कर सकते हो?
So first thing I would like to tell that LinkedIn is a most effective tool for any job seeker or a profession,
Okay,
right? For a job seeker, it acts as a digital resume.
absolutely.
Okay, so I always ask them to build your profile on LinkedIn. Okay, so I am also a recruiter, right?
Right.
So whenever I hire anybody, okay, I'm hiring for my client, I usually go and check the LinkedIn page.
Right.
Okay, whether he's currently working in this company, since how long he's working, koi testimonials. I'll talk about testimonials, and these things I usually check.
Right.
Okay, but what I usually tell as a fresher, it's very important that you build your LinkedIn profile.
Right.
Okay, because it acts as a personal branding.
Hmm.
Right. So even when you are talking about Facebook and Instagram, we cannot post a selfie like this on the LinkedIn.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
And I've seen many people on this.
We cannot do that because new generation does not know about it, right? It's a professional platform, right?
Right.
So we need a professional photo for that. So what I usually tell, because you were just talking about it, I usually train MBA freshers. I'm associated with MBA institutes where I go and I train freshers to how to build, how to harness LinkedIn for job seeker. This is what I talk about.
Okay.
So starting from the profile photo only, if you want a professional photo, you can just randomly click a good photo from your camera and you can go on this app or a website called as remove.bg. Okay.
Remove.
Remove.bg.
Okay.
So
So it's the AI app.
It's a app, yeah.
Okay.
So you just have to upload your professional photo over there. It just removes the background and it gives you a white background.
Oh, okay.
Whatever background you need, but I suggest to keep a white background on a LinkedIn profile.
Yeah, to look
To
professional.
look professional, and that's completely free app. So why not to utilize it, right?
Absolutely.
It's completely comes with the hacks. There's so many hacks that we don't know it. We just have to explore it. Right?
Absolutely, absolutely.
So this app is really good, and you don't actually go to the studio and get it. Click time नहीं मिल रहा studio जाने के लिए, ये भी मैंने सुना है.
Yeah.
So
There are apps. I'm
yeah.
sure. I mean, even I also.
We are in a smart world now, so we have to act smartly. I always
टेक्नोलॉजी का ये यूज करना इज रियली गुड,
yeah.
बट CV कॉपी करना, सच कॉपी करना इजंट राइट. आपने देखे ऐसे केसेस और आप रिजेक्ट करते हो, सिलेक्ट करते हो, आपका एज अ रिक्रूटर या आपका ऑब्वियसली एज अ कंपनी आपका कोर रिक्रूटमेंट में, तो आपका परसेप्शन क्या होता है व्हेन यू सी द आइडेंटिकल CVs?
नहीं, कोई CV ऐसे होता है ना, वो समझ जाता है वो चैट GPT से कॉपीड है.
Right.
Okay. So whenever you see such CVs, you will understand this. And if you have put these skills, you have to prove it.
Absolutely.
Right? अगर वो लोग use कर रहे कोई apps for making a CV, that's really good. I'm not saying anything wrong about, because there are so many different formats which CVs get attracted.
Right.
So what I tell them, just make your CV in 2 pages. That's it. Don't make it 4 or 5. Nobody has so much that they will keep checking every. But yeah, if you come with 10 years of experience, then 3-page CV, 4-page CVs of course matter, because it's completely come with an experience. ChatGPT से copy करना, it's big no. But you can take help of ChatGPT. Okay. Now also a lot of people can't frame the email while they are sending to anybody. You can take the help of ChatGPT and help to make it frame it better. But put your idea to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to frame it for you. This is what I tell the freshers or anybody. If
do you also use such method?
I use ChatGPT. Yes, I do use. I have to give a prompt to ChatGPT. Then it helps me, right?
So
I don't blindly copy. No.
You write it.
Yeah. It also comes with content. Of course, you need to have a idea about what you want to put in, what you want to write it. If there is some incident that I want to put it, so I'll just write it down and I'll ask ChatGPT to please frame it for me.
Absolutely.
So that will actually give a good look, and with some emoticons, if you have seen, that looks better when you're putting it on the social medias or LinkedIn like that.
Notifications.
Yeah. So I usually do that.
But now since you are speaking about LinkedIn and this branding,
Yeah.
प्रोफाइल बनानी है, आई एम श्योर कि ये प्रोफाइल बनाने के बाद तो खत्म नहीं होगा.
नहीं प्रोफाइल
ब्रांडिंग कैसे करेंगे?
ओके.
क्या
सो प्रोफाइल जो है कंप्लीट कब होता है? व्हेन यू हैव टेस्टिमोनियल्स, recommendations and endorsements. Recommendation is something that you have worked for and you have a good testimonial. If your manager wants to give a testimonial about it, so ask him to give a testimonial. You see, you have to do a personal branding on your LinkedIn page, right? So you have to ask for the recommendation to your manager, senior manager, directly whom you are reporting, right? Because you have directly worked with him, or you're probably a colleague from which you are working together on certain projects. So you can ask your colleague to get the testimonial. और अभी जब मैं ट्रेनिंग दे रही हूँ तो बहुत बच्चे आके मुझे बोलते हैं, मैम वी आर तो फ्रेशर, मैं तो फ्रेशर हूँ, मैं कहाँ से, आपको मेरे पास तो इंडस्ट्रियल एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है, तो मैं कहाँ से टेस्टिमोनियल लिखवाऊँ? So you have professors, okay, if you have built a good relation with the professors, get the testimonials, recommendations from them. If you're working on certain project, you might have a project mentor, get the recommendation from them.
राइट.
Right?
लेकिन ये गिवन एंड टेकन, ये ऐसे मैंने देखा है.
अच्छा.
जो रिकमेंडेशंस आते हैं नीचे, स्किल्स एंडोर्समेंट जॉब
Okay.
बोल रहे हो,
हाँ.
वो ले सकते हैं अपने कलीग से या फिर मे बी कॉलेज से, फैकल्टी से. लेकिन ये एग्जैक्टली कैसे रोल प्ले होता है? बिकॉज शुरुआत यहाँ से कि देर आर पीपल हु आर लुकिंग फॉर जॉब्स,
Yeah.
they do not know about how to write an email.
Yeah.
They are just copying the CVs, right? CV formats. Even there are many apps which will give you help to create a good CV. Interview preparations नहीं है. LinkedIn प्रोफाइल बनानी कैसे, या अगर बना भी दी है, so अभी ये recommendations वाला जो पार्ट है, I think it is a little bit difficult for people. तो हम लोग simplify कैसे कर सकते हैं? और कि जनरली कितने ले सकते हैं?
See, मैं नहीं बोल रही कि आप 10-12 recommendation लाओ. That is not possible if you are working as you are a fresher.
Fresher, yeah.
So at least 1 or 2 recommendation,
Would work.
yeah, would work. So even if I'm hiring for anybody, we do background verification, right? तो अभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि 3 आपके last managers के
Reference.
send us the referrals. So that act as again a recommendation, right? If he's recommending this candidate, then the next company is going to hire him.
Right.
So it's like that only. Even if there is only one recommendation on your page, it will actually it's a branding, right? If I'm hiring a fresher, I will see, अरे ये recommendation है इसके page पे, he's working on his personal branding and he's so serious about his career, then why not to take him?
Right.
This gives a good impression, right?
Absolutely.
Other than just putting a photo and nothing else in that, क्या कर रहे हो? Even the taglines are very important. Which skill set you want the job to be? Your next job should
The first UI, right?
Yeah, so what are the skill set you are looking for? If you're MBA fresher, looking for opportunity in finance or whatever the opportunities are looking for, just put it in a tagline so that the hiring manager will reach out to you. See, it's a networking hub, I would tell.
Yes.
Okay, it's a powerhouse, networking powerhouse, I would say. So you can directly talk to the hiring managers over there. That's the beauty of LinkedIn. You can directly ping them and talk to them and tell them about your experience and you're looking for a job.
Right.
And probably they respond. Even I get a lot of messages saying, ma'am, I'm looking for this job you have posted. I just saw. So I respond to them. I said, my team will come back to you if your CV is relevant to us.
Right.
Okay, so this directly there is you can talk to industry people over there. So this is the beauty of LinkedIn, right?
Yeah.
So utilize it. No, why not?
But then from a visibility point of view on LinkedIn, I mean, not only recommendations or profile optimization would work, right?
Yeah.
So I think content creation would also play a role.
Correct.
Big role.
Correct.
As you have also mentioned that you're guiding people. तो LinkedIn पे कैसे content बना सकते लोग और क्या बना सकते?
अच्छा.
Even maybe as freshers and the experienced one.
Okay, for the fresher or experienced one, content is very important. When you prepare a content, तभी लोगों को कुछ मसाला मिलता है पढ़ने के लिए, या फिर people who are following you, उनको connect होना चाहिए. First thing मैं उनको बोलती हूँ. If you are creating a content or you're putting anything, वो लोगों को connect होना चाहिए. Your followers, your connections. तो ऐसे कुछ content बनाओ so that they can get connected to it and they like it. You know, if you're a fresher, you can make a content of any project that you have done, just in a bit visual way. When it's visual, people like it.
Right.
right? You can connect it, right? In meanwhile, even we make some contents, right, to for my followers. Just an example I'm giving you. It was like there were emoticons, which was like first he's rejected, then it's like yeah, then he's not shortlisted, then again the bit sad one emoticon. Then the profile is on hold. Then he feel what surprise. Then again he's rejected, and then finally he's selected. Then yeah. So ऐसे वाली content हमने बनाया था, and trust me, it went so viral and people connected it. And the message was keep hopes, never lose hopes,
Right.
and keep trying.
Right.
You will reach to your destination.
Right.
It was like that. So people connected to this. They felt, yeah, we there are a lot of rejections even we are facing, but we should keep trying it. So just an example of this, yeah.
I have a different, perspective to the content creation on LinkedIn. Okay. For freshers also and for experience also. What I earlier used to tell people to write, even the way I'm writing right.
Yeah.
But I've also understood that, rather accepted this fact that this generation is not more into writing. They are more into taking notes on maybe digital well-being.
Correct.
राइट कि फोन से हाथ में लैपटॉप से तो उसमें वो नोट करते हैं उनको पेन एंड पेपर वाला ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आता है और मे बी उनका परसेप्शन वैसा है नहीं ठीक है सो व्हाट आई टेल पीपल इज दैट एवरी डे राइट व्हेन यू गो टू स्लीप जस्ट टेक 5 मिनट्स आउट एंड रिफ्लेक्ट टू योर एंटायर डे कि आज आपने कौन सी एक चीज़ ऐसी सीखी है नॉट एवरी डे इज अ लर्निंग नॉट एवरी डे इज अ गुड और अ बेस्ट डे there could be days where you're not feeling motivated, where you're not feeling to maybe perform a task or go to work. Just वो सब आपको कैप्चर करना है और वो आप वीडियो पे करो. डोंट पोस्ट इट एनीवेयर, कीप इट टू योरसेल्फ. अगर आप ये 2 महीने कंसिस्टेंटली भी कर लेते हो तो आपके पास 60 डेज का कंटेंट आ जाता है, राइट?
नाइस.
देन यू स्टार्ट यूजिंग द डिफरेंट एप्स कि उसको छोटे छोटे सबटाइटल्स दे दिए हैं एंड देन स्टार्ट पुटिंग इन ऑन योर लिंक्डइन और मे बी इंस्टाग्राम एंड बी ओपन कि आपको फीडबैक लेना है.
ओके.
आपको आपके कंटेंट के पीसेस इतने ब्रेक करने हैं और इतना ब्रूटल होना है फीडबैक एक्सेप्टेंस में कि कुछ भी आ जाए मुझे बस सुनना है.
राइट.
नॉट नेसेसरी दैट यू हैव टू इम्प्लीमेंट एवरी फीडबैक but you have to go through this feedback system so that you'll become better into content creation. And I think this voice, like the personal voice, personal branding, ये CV के साथ LinkedIn प्रोफाइल के साथ एक फिक्स पैरामीटर बनेगा इन द नेक्स्ट 5 to 10 years. दैट जैसे आज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में चल रहा है कि आपको एक्टिंग आता है, आपके पास टैलेंट है, वी नो वी रिस्पेक्ट दैट, बट आपके फॉलोअर्स कितने हैं? बिकॉज इससे आगे का आपका मार्केटिंग थोड़ा सा ईजी हो जाता है. सो आई थिंक this is also now coming into the job market, and these are the small suggestions I'm trying to give to many youngsters also and the experienced one. कि अगर आपको प्रमोशन चाहिए तो आप जब प्रेजेंटेशन देते हो तो उसमें आप क्या लिख के दे रहे हो कि मैंने अभी तक क्या काम किया और क्या क्या नहीं किया. वी आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, राइट? हम लोग 1000 अलग इमोशंस, फीलिंग्स, बातें कर रहे हैं एवरी डे. कैसे याद रहेगा कि मैंने 15 दिन के पहले क्या किया क्या नहीं किया? बस एक छोटा सा 10-12 सेकंड का वीडियो रिकॉर्ड कर लो यार, वॉइस रिकॉर्ड कर लो.
That's a very good suggestion, Pranil. Even I'll try this.
Because it's simple.
Yeah.
I started this journey in 2023. I started from stories, Instagram stories.
Amazing.
Right? Then मैंने 2-3 महीने के बाद फीडबैक लिया क्योंकि मैं बहुत ज्यादा लिखता था इंस्टाग्राम पे, फिर लोगों को पढ़ना नहीं पॉसिबल होता था. देन आई आस्क्ड माय ऑडियंस की रादर कनेक्शंस, आई वुड से, नॉट ऑडियंस कि क्या आपका फीडबैक है आपको ये, क्योंकि 30 सेकंड भी ज्यादा रहता नहीं इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी, तो आप पढ़ पा रहे हो नहीं पढ़ पा रहे हो. तो मैंने एक पोल फिर मेंशन किया था मेरे स्टोरी में दैट आपको क्या देखना पसंद होगा, वीडियोस, मेरा वॉइस सुनना है डायरेक्ट, लॉन्ग फॉर्म वीडियोस चाहिए या फिर पोस्ट चाहिए, आर्टिकल्स क्या चाहिए. सो पीपल वोटेड फॉर वीडियोस विच ऑब्वियसली आई वाज आल्सो अवेयर ऑफ.
ओके.
फिर मैंने एक ऐसा ही माइक मैंने लिया था, ठीक है, तो मैंने वहां से फिर जर्नी शुरू की. आई स्टार्टेड शूटिंग वीडियोस फॉर 1 मिनट. ठीक है, तो पहले ऑब्वियसली आई यूज्ड टू गिव लाइक 2-3 टेक्स और मैं खुद ही लिखता था और मैं सोचता था कि यार ये सही नहीं हुआ है, बिकॉज अगर ये मुझे मेरा पसंद नहीं आ रहा है तो मेरे लोगों को ये पसंद नहीं आने वाला है. सो फ्रॉम देयर देन आई now started this HR Universe and all this podcast.
Amazing.
बट ये जर्नी मेरी 2-3 साल की है. मैंने सब कुछ मेरे पेज पे इसके लिए रखा है दैट आई स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम दिस एंड नाउ आई हैव रीच्ड हियर. क्योंकि मुझे ये जनरेशन में या फ्रेशर्स या एक्सपीरियंस लोगों को ये मैसेज कन्वे नहीं करना है कि मैंने एक नया अकाउंट बनाया और मेरा डे 1 से सक्सेस हो गया है.
करेक्ट.
दिस इज नॉट द लाइफ, इट्स अ प्रोसेस.
इट्स अ प्रोसेस.
बिकॉज आज क्या हो जाता है इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन के टाइम में, पीपल वांट ह्यूज रिजल्ट्स इन मिनिमम टाइम. कि आज मैंने प्रोफाइल बनाई है, आज मैंने कोई रील डाल दिया है तो मुझे आज ही रीच चाहिए. इट इज अ प्रोसेस.
करेक्ट.
एंड नाउ ऑब्वियसली दिस सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म्स आर मेकिंग मनी. तो बहुत सारे लोगों को ये भी नहीं पता है कि व्हेन टू पुट मनी, इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर योर रील्स और गेट वायरल.
Correct.
मेरा हमेशा से ये कहना है सब लोगों को, मैं जहाँ पे भी कंसल्ट कर रहा हूँ बिजनेस ओनर्स को भी, डोंट पुट मनी ऑन सोशल मीडिया इमीडिएटली. फर्स्ट क्रैक द बेसिक्स, क्योंकि कंसिस्टेंसी डिसिप्लिन बाद में आएगा.
Yeah.
यू फर्स्ट शो अप द सेम वे यू गो टू द जिम, यू हैव योर फूड, सब कुछ कर रहे हो ना. Start showing up for social media also. Then start thinking about how you will create a value for your audience, and then it will go to the next level. Because in process आपको यही समझ में आता है कि चलो आज मैंने एडिटिंग बेटर कर लिया है, आज मैंने मेरा कंटेंट बेटर कर लिया है. लोग जब शुरू में अप्रिशिएट करते हैं तो अच्छा लगता है. सेम लाइक स्टॉक मार्केट,
Correct.
सब बिगिनर्स लक. बट जब आप बोर हो जाते हो, मोटिवेशन खत्म हो जाता है, वहां से आपकी जर्नी शुरू होती है.
So you want to say it's more of research and R&D.
No,
Okay.
I'm literally talking about the basics.
Basics. Okay.
Because when you are in a position to do the R&D, तब आपकी पोजीशन ये होनी चाहिए कि मैं कंटेंट बना रहा हूँ, ठीक है, अभी मुझे रीच नहीं आ रहा है.
Okay.
तो आर देयर एनी पीपल हु आर डूइंग सिमिलर कंटेंट, उनका एडिटिंग कैसा है, क्या नहीं है. इट इज नॉट लाइक अ कंपिटिटर एनालिसिस काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग, बट इट इज टू मेक यू बेटर फॉर योरसेल्फ. हमेशा इंटेंशन ये रखना है कि मुझे बेटर होना है, ठीक है, और मेरी वजह से दिस सेम वे यू सेड गिव बैक टू द सोसाइटी. दिस इंटेंशंस हैव टू बी देयर. अगर आपका इंटेंशन ये होगा कि मैं आज रील बनाऊंगा, मैं वायरल हो जाऊंगा, मेरे पास ब्रांड कोलैब्स हो गए, मेरे पास बहुत सारा पैसा होगा, ये आपका फेज 3 फेज 4 में आता है. व्हेन पीपल विल सी वैल्यू इन योर कंटेंट.
Correct.
आज का एडिटिंग का गेम है, ओके. यू विल डू वंडर्स इन एडिटिंग. यू विल पुट लाइक 20-50,000 इन एडिटिंग जस्ट फॉर वन रील. आउटपुट अच्छा आ रहा है, सब कुछ आ रहा है, लेकिन आप कंटेंट ही ठीक बोल नहीं पा रहे हो, ये आपका वैल्यू एडिशन वाला कंटेंट नहीं है, तो क्या हो जाएगा? पीपल अंडरस्टैंड. तो फिर उसमें ना आपको लाइक आ जाता है, आपके फॉलोअर्स बढ़ भी जाते हैं, उतने तेजी से कम भी हो जाता है.
Right.
सो ऑर्गेनिक प्रोसेस में टाइम लगता है, बट इफ यू क्रिएट वैल्यू ना,
But I feel it's more of continuous process.
एब्सोल्युटली
Yeah.
यू हैव टू टेक दैट चैलेंज कि चलो हम लोग बचपन से खाना खाते आ रहे हैं, हम लोगों का कुछ भी हो जाए, लाइफ में कोई मर जाए, हमारा जॉब छूट जाए, रिलेशनशिप में ब्रेकअप हो जाए, मुझे ट्रेन ना मिले आज, हम लोग खाना नहीं छोड़ेंगे, खाना खाएंगे हम लोग, राइट. बट ये पैशन हम लोग प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में नहीं ला पाते. और उसका एक थॉट प्रोसेस होता है स्पेसिफिकली व्हेन इट कम्स टू जॉब. तो जॉब में लोगों का ये होता है कि मुझे इतना पैसा मिल रहा है, मैं इतना ही करूंगा, राइट. बट द पीपल लाइक इन द लास्ट 2 years the research I have done, the employees who are doing the job and doing the content creation also are in a better position
Wow. Amazing.
to get the appraisals quickly,
Correct.
because they are giving that voice not only for themselves,
Yeah.
but their organization, their colleagues, and they are also getting the visibility.
Correct.
I'm not telling people कि आप पॉडकास्ट ही शुरू करो, तो आज ट्रेंड बन गया है, राइट. सो दिस इज हाउ पीपल should look up to it, that is an organic process, ongoing process,
Yeah.
and you'll become better. बट जॉब में अभी ये है, एंड इवन एज यू सेड कि जॉब आप लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल चेक करते हो, देयर विल बी अ टाइम कि लोग ये भी चेक करेंगे कि इसका लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल है, या ये एंगेजमेंट इसका क्या है, ये करता क्या है. फॉलोअर्स नहीं, लेकिन एंगेजमेंट इसका क्या है, राइट.
You know what? 85% of jobs people get it from LinkedIn. This I saw on one of the. This has been done by some research, and I had read this
Right.
on LinkedIn only. So it's all about networking. You know?
Absolutely. So what are the trends going on the HR?
So it's AI and automation in the recruitment process.
Okay.
There are a lot of softwares which help you screen the CVs automatically using the AI.
So you immediately get the results?
Yeah, I mean, it helps you understand the percentage of the matching of the CVs, right? So with the skill set, if the CV is matching 80%, 90%, so it helps us in the initial screening. So that is the latest trend in HR going on for the recruiters and as well as the talent acquisition, which actually helps in the first level of hiring. So again, if you ask me, the new trend in HR is mostly of skill-based hiring rather than degree-based.
Okay.
This is new thing that HR is more focusing on.
So not only skills written in the CV, but
The person
interviews.
in the interviews, if he is certified in, for example, Power BI, okay, and he's not an engineer, so they're okay to take it. It's not about degree now.
But there are, I think, two parts of this, like, to look at. The first one is obviously the technical and the soft skills, everything, and the second part of is the actual personality, right? So are there any AI tools you may be aware of कि जो personality assessment भी करते हैं, या फ्री कोई सॉफ्टवेयर आपको पता है?
No, I'm not aware of this thing.
Okay, so there is one website which I know and I refer to is 16personalities.com,
Okay.
where you can just go and fill in the questions and get the answers.
Okay.
और उससे आपको एक पर्सनैलिटी आपकी समझ में आ जाती है कि आपकी अभी की सिचुएशन क्या है, और आर योर स्ट्रेंथ, एरिया ऑफ इम्प्रोवाइजेशन, career paths and everything. And if you can combine both, then I think
It's
it will
more
be
of
helpful.
psychometric test
No,
what
it
you're
is, it
talking
is.
about. Okay.
Psychometric is, I think, goes to the advanced level.
Okay.
I'm talking about the personality assessment,
Okay.
right? And the reason for it is personality, अगर आपको खुद को पता है, then you are able to justify in the
Right.
interview.
Right. Right.
The way you said it कि AI tools ऐसे बहुत सारे हैं
हाँ.
जिससे आपका CV बनता है
Correct.
या फिर लोगों को शॉर्टलिस्टिंग में मदद हो रही है.
हाँ.
बट इसमें एक क्वेश्चन मेरा है
हाँ.
दैट बहुत लोगों को ATS फ्रेंडली सीवीज नहीं पता है आज तक भी. तो हाउ दिस AI और मे बी हाउ दे गेट द कॉल्स फ्रॉम द रिक्रूटर्स देन,
Okay.
अगर उनको ये पता ही नहीं तो कैसे बना सकते हैं ATS फ्रेंडली, कैसे बना सकते हैं हम लोग सीवी, या ATS फ्रेंडली होता क्या है सीवी?
Okay. No, there is nothing called as ATS friendly CVs. ATS is a software, right? It's an application tracking system.
Right.
Wherein candidates apply or applied candidates going ATS.
Right.
Then this AI helps to screen them.
It is more from a HR.
It's more of what you put on your CV. If
Okay.
you are putting your skill sets on your CV, so automatically AI will screen it, right? Because AI knows which profile I'm hiring for. So automatically it start refining them, and it helps me shortlist few candidates out of this ATS system, and then out of that shortlisted one, we go for the initial round of interview.
ओके, सो इसमें कितना टाइम बचता है? बिकॉज आई डू रिमेंबर
Yeah,
कि एक हमारी जॉब पोर्टल की प्रोसेस है
Yeah.
वेर यू विल पुट डाउन द कीवर्ड्स,
correct.
मेंशन एवरीथिंग, और उसके बाद आपको सीवी रिफ्लेक्ट होंगे, एंड देन वो सीवी ढूंढने हैं, पढ़ने हैं, एंड देन यू विल मेक अ डिसीजन कि किसको कॉल करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. इट्स अ
Correct.
ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिस,
Yeah,
राइट?
yeah.
सो एंड इट इज टाइम टेकिंग ऑल्सो.
Yes.
तो AI इसमें कैसे एग्जैक्टली हेल्प करता है? आपका
So-
रिसर्च उसमें क्या है?
So that's what I'm saying. AI has helped us in first screening. So yeah. So अभी वो जो हम लोग को वो टाइम पीरियड लगता था 1 घंटा 2 घंटा टू जस्ट शॉर्टलिस्ट 10 CVs, तो वो उसने पूरा निकाल दिया बिकॉज इट हैज स्क्रीन्ड इट इन द इनिशियल राउंड लुकिंग एट द स्किल सेट्स on the resume, and it has already screened me and it is given to the next round.
So are you comfortable sharing those AI tools name here?
There are few. There are ATS. There's a Keka called.
Keka is
Yeah. There is a Zoho.
Mhm.
Okay. There are a lot of ATS like there's also Zopa.
Zopa.
Zopa. It's XOPA. So it's a good
XOPA.
yeah.
Okay.
So it's a good ATS softwares
Okay.
for recruiters to use it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Zopa, Zoho, and one you said?
Keka is one.
Yeah, Keka. I'm aware of.
Yeah. So
They're also doing many events for HRs, no?
yeah. Keka is a very big human resource management system. So they have everything. Like they also have a payroll system. They also have a ATS. It's a very big software for whole human resource
So
management.
you are using it all.
I have used it. No, I'm not using all because it's quite expensive
हाँ.
for a startups or like that. So I use one. So I have tried all these things and then I've come to one.
Okay.
It's like that.
So आपकी screening process अभी easy हो गई.
Easy
So
हो
you're not
गई है.
talking to the candidates.
Being very frank, मैं नहीं encourage करती हूँ कि सारे candidates को call करो. I tell my team also, I don't encourage them. Okay, पहले कैसा होता था, हाँ ये active दिख रहा है नौकरी पे, so उसको pick कर लो.
Right.
It is not like that anymore, you know. So you have to hunt sometimes and get the candidates out of it. Yeah.
Because as a
And you have to convince candidate why he has to join this company. Because he's working for 3 years, 4 years in one particular company and he's very comfortable and he's okay with his job role and everything. So there comes an HR role where you have to counsel him, tell him about the company, guide him, and then ask him to go for the interview.
Okay.
So it's not about calling anymore.
अगर किसी कैंडिडेट को जॉब चाहिए एंड इफ दे आर रीचिंग आउट टू यू, तो आप उनको कैसे हेल्प करते हो? वन,
Yeah.
या अगर आपके पास पोजीशन आती है तो आप कैसे वो क्लोज करते हो और कितना टाइम आप लेते हो उसके लिए?
See, it's not like कि it all depends upon the company also कितना जल्दी चाहिए उनको, because some
There are companies urgent hiring.
so company tells me like मुझे 15 days में ये close करना है, so we have to go for somebody into the notice period,
Right.
right? But there are some companies they say we are okay to wait 3 months, but we don't want candidate holding offer because
Obviously.
it's about loyalty,
Yes.
credibility and all these things. They're okay to wait for 3 months. So it all depends on the client. If they want it on a very urgent basis, then we'll have to go for somebody with a notice period. And if they're okay to wait for 1 or 2 months, then we go with the complete notice period till they serve. So
और ऐसे कैंडिडेट ज्वाइन होते हैं. What is your experience of? Because I am sure, because I'm also going through the same pain that we try to provide jobs, right? People get the offers, either they opt for the offers, or even if they join the desired company, तो कितना टाइम काम करेंगे ये भी थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चंस होता है,
okay.
right? बट नाउ जब हम लोग सीवी रिजेक्ट करते लोगों को,
Hmm.
राइट, स्टेबिलिटी इज फर्स्ट पैरामीटर, जो मैंने पहले भी आई थिंक एपिसोड में बोला हुआ है कि 6 to 8 months वो टाइम पे आ गया है अभी कि पीपल आर स्टिल नाउ एंटरटेनिंग, देयर आर कंपनीज हु आर ओके विद दिस।
Hmm.
तो आपका एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, और आप अगर सीवी देख रहे हो किसी का,
Hmm.
तो आपका परसेप्शन क्या कैसे बनता है?
If I'm hiring for a senior role, I actually see if he's there in one single company for more than 3 years. Even my clients also ask me if if the CV has stability, then only share with me.
Hmm.
So stability is one thing that we actually see, because if he has to be, if he's 3 years loyal to one company, then if we're hiring for the next, he will stay for a longer period of a time. So if he is hopping the job every 1 year or 8 months, it will not make sense to hire him, because he might not be satisfied in one company. He has a mindset of changing now and then, maybe for a growth, maybe for the salary. So it will not make a good impression.
फ्रेशर्स का सीवी अगर स्ट्रॉन्ग देखना है
हाँ.
उनके स्टेबिलिटी में, कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस होना चाहिए? इफ दे आर 3 years एक्सपीरियंस कोई जूनियर लेवल का बंदा
Okay.
है, लेकिन ही हैज मे बी स्विच्ड 4 or 5 jobs in just 3 years.
Okay.
Are you entertaining such candidate, or it is just a CV reject?
Most of the time it's CV reject, but we have to understand at the candidate's point of view. If that probably that job was just for internship or for on a contract, but basically they don't have much contracts now. That trend has gone. But if this internship, whether it's for 6 months, so he has to mention that it was an internship,
Right.
right? If he's again doing an internship, okay, again he's posting his profile on Internshala, then you'll get interns over there.
Right.
So again he's doing an internship. If two are internship, then we don't consider. We say okay, he has done the internship and now he's looking for a job.
Right.
So it will be a good decision to take him. But in 3 years, again he has changed a job in 1 year. Then
That is a
it will, yeah, it is a problem. Or if he is able to explain, so why he changed his job, because he's staying in Pune. If the company want him to go to Bangalore or some other location, that's the reason, one of the reason, then we might consider.
My experience with my clients, stability में, like out of 100, there are 90 of my clients who are just rejecting on this first parameter of stability
Yeah,
across levels,
correct.
not only for Gen Zs or freshers. But then what is that one message you would like to give to the freshers or
Mm.
maybe Gen Zs कि उनको थोड़ा time देना चाहिए
Okay.
to get the job or maybe stay in the job?
Okay, so one message which I want to give is focus on learnings rather than money.
या लेकिन उनके learning 6 महीने में खत्म हो जाते हैं.
ऐसा नहीं है, learning कभी खत्म नहीं होता है. I am still learning, right?
We also are. Let's talk about a little bit different aspect to it.
Okay.
That now startups, right, or maybe SMEs, ऐसे और कौन से फैक्टर्स वो ऐड कर सकते हैं टू अट्रैक्ट द टैलेंट, नॉट ओनली द फिक्स सैलरी,
Okay.
राइट, बट आपके हिसाब से अगर आपकी कंपनी में आप फ्रेशर्स हायर कर रहे हो, तो आप सैलरी छोड़ के भी ऐसे कौन सी चीजें उनको ऑफर कर सकते हो that you'll be able to attract the right talent then?
First thing is flexibility. Okay.
Work
Work-life
flexibility.
balance. Yes. You can give them hybrid mode.
Okay.
Okay. So that they don't have to travel every day to reach to the office. Maybe the bit of incentives we can give. If they are doing good, then why not? Appreciate them. Give them appreciation. They like appreciation. Like who will not like? If I appreciate you, hi Pranil, you are looking great today. So appreciate them now and then, right?
Right.
So these things I think HR should look in when they are hiring Gen Z. So these things should matter.
So what is that one message you would like to give to the freshers कि ये लोग कैसे जॉब देख सकते हैं, कर सकते हैं, उनका परसेप्शन, उनका माइंडसेट कैसे होना चाहिए? बिकॉज चलो आपने दे दिया वर्क कल्चर, मैंने दे दी वर्क फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, दे दी, सब कुछ कर लिया.
So one message that I want to give is growth takes place outside your comfort zone.
Okay.
So you have to live some comfort zone if you are actually want to grow in your career.
But you also mentioned about work-life balance, na?
Yeah. So that is there. So that is there. That I'm talking about in HR perspective. That now I'm talking about candidate perspective. Okay. It's not always the same way, right? We have to think as a humanity, right?
Right. How you are managing now?
It's all time management. Trust me. I always tell them, be disciplined whatever you do. Just discipline will make you, or it will break you.
Yes.
So just discipline.
I think discipline, my theory goes like discipline will first break you.
Yeah.
And then will make you.
Yeah.
Because बहुत सारे हमारे पैटर्न्स होते हैं, बहुत सारे हमारे बिलीफ होते हैं, वो
Correct.
अनलर्न करने हैं,
Correct.
राइट, एंड देन यू हैव टू रीलर्न कि चलो दिस इज हाउ आई हैव टू डू इट. द सेम है जैसा मैंने आपको मेरी सोशल मीडिया की जर्नी बताई थी. आई वाज वेरी रिलक्टेंट
Okay.
व्हेन आई वाज हैविंग ऑफिस ऑन एफसी रोड इन पुणे. आई हैड अ लार्जर टीम जो मेरे सामने बैठ के काम कर रहे थे, तो मैं उनको बताता कि तुम लोगों को क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है, कैसे करना है, और मेरा एक्सपीरियंस ये तो यही सही है. बट उनके क्लोजर्स जब अलग अलग चीज़ों से हो जाते थे, then I started questioning myself कि dude, you have to accept their trend. Not every time you are the only person who's correct in the room,
Okay.
right? तो एक काम करते हैं, पहले तू भी थोड़ा सा सीख ले. तो
Hmm.
मुझे बहुत सारे पैटर्न्स मेरे भी ब्रेक करने थे, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली कमिंग फ्रॉम अ बूटस्ट्रैप कंपनी, तुम्हारा एक एटीट्यूड बन जाता है या ईगो थोड़ा सा बढ़ने लगता है,
Right.
because you go through that different level of success and the achievements. And I'm being very honest with you even in front of the cameras, that was my learning, that I have to accept this fact कि
True.
मेरा ही सब कुछ सही नहीं है. I'm not the only person in the room. So I think discipline crack करने के लिए you have to really be sure that you are ready
Yeah.
to give it all and ready to break yourself.
True.
Right? अगर वो नहीं है कमिटमेंट ना, तो जिम जाओगे,
Yes.
न्यू ईयर रेजोल्यूशन फॉर अ मंथ मैक्सिमम, and then it will like यार कौन जाएगा जिम.
It's all about discipline, consistency, and time management.
Absolutely.
Okay. So this if you have achieved this, then you can do anything.
Absolutely. What is that, one more message you would like to give to those people who don't have support as moms? Because I know that there are emotional changes, hormonal changes, body-wise changes, every changes that you guys go through compared to the males.
Correct.
How people should tackle those? Maybe another factor कि लोगों ने support कैसे करना चाहिए. Because बहुत सारे लोगों को ये एजुकेशन नहीं है कि चलो मेरी वाइफ को जॉब करना है, बट नाउ उसका मैटरनिटी ब्रेक लिया है उसने, राइट, बट ऑल्सो शी इज फाइटिंग विद मेनी थिंग्स, मेनी डिफरेंट थिंग्स, और उसको अभी जॉब के लिए भी मोटिवेट करना है.
True.
ऐसा क्या मैसेज होता
So ये ऐसे फेज मुझे भी आया था. Okay, my mom motivated me, rather my mother-in-law as well. So ये phase आया था when I was clueless कि अभी क्या करना है, because being always so much into in whatever I'm working, being into this career-oriented kind of nature, it was a bit difficult for me also to take a break for a maternity and then come back to what I'm doing. But I would really tell them, take your time, don't hurry, because even your kids need you. Okay, some phase of your life, they need you as a mother, they need you. So take your time. It's okay to take a break for 2 years, 3 years, but when you are ready, then focus on your work as well. And you have to make sure that you cannot be available all the time for your kids. So it's equal responsibility of every member in the family.
Right.
If you have achieved something in life, like if you have done education, if you want to do something in life, there should be a support.
Right.
And that support starts from within.
Absolutely.
If you are supporting yourself, if you're helping yourself, then others will help you, right?
Absolutely.
So it's like that. So you first have to decide that I want to do this. There are a lot of guidance, counselors, सब है, कोई ना कोई तो रहता ही है. But you have, it should come within that I want to do this. So I have to make all the arrangements and then come out of discomfort.
Absolutely. This is amazing. What do you think? AI is a threat in HR or to HR, or it can be used as a superpower? What is your take?
So what I feel is AI cannot be a threat for a human resource. Rather, it can be a game changer if used it smartly. AI is a technology, and if we are adapting to this new technology, then we will do the best. So everybody who are into this new generation, everybody is learning ChatGPT, chatbots, AI, and everything. So even just to elaborate this, but also we are living in the era of VUCA world. If you have heard of this concept, have you heard of this concept?
What is it?
VUCA world. So V stands for volatility, U stands for uncertainty, C stands for complexity, and A stands for ambiguity. So we are staying in this VUCA world where there is a lot of uncertainty, unpredictable things happening in the organization or the companies that are facing. And this is majorly more after the pandemic things. So we cannot say where the AI will be in next 5 years. There will be a lot of change in the AI also. But definitely when it comes to human resource, it cannot be a threat. It is a superpower according to me.
So the people or maybe HR professionals should adapt that.
Yes,
make
definitely.
it more
easier.
Instead of
Yes.
asking it this prompts कि employee engagement के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं.
Correct.
ये नहीं होना चाहिए, right?
Correct. Or even HRs for the performance management system, they are using AI for a whole 360-degree performance management system.
Okay.
So AI is helping there also. So it has made the bit easier for human resource as well. So if they're adapting to their new technology.
So ma'am, the interesting question in the segment of this podcast, आपको लगता है इंडिया में जॉब्स है?
Definitely है.
लोगों को लगता है नहीं है.
है, it should reach to the right candidate. Jobs तो है, because we are in hiring field. So we have opportunities right now. So for the junior level, we are hiring for junior accountant, junior site engineers, a junior billing engineer, and that is for a real estate company which is at Baner, Pune, with the CTC range around 3 lakhs. So for the mid-level roles, we are hiring for full stack developer, that is for the owned location, and with 3 to 4 years of experience with CTC range of around 8 to 9 lakhs. We are also hiring for senior software engineer lead role as well as engineer role with 8 to 10 years of experience for one of the electronic manufacturing company based in Hinjawadi, Pune, and the CTC range is around 30 lakhs. We are also hiring for sales manager for one of the company which is into cyber security. For Bangalore location, Mumbai location, Pune location with the CTC range of 20 to 22 lakhs. So we have few more openings, and so the details of this job with the job description, you will find it on our LinkedIn page or on the website. Also, if you want to send the CV to us, you can reach us out at recruit@headwayconsult.com.
Madhuri ma'am, we are really grateful and thankful to you. So thank you so much for coming to this show.
Thank you, Pranil. Thank
Yeah,
you
of course.
for inviting me as a guest. I really enjoyed this discussion and conversation round with a lot of knowledge and knowledge sharing sessions. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Yeah.